In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the default zoom level in Google Chrome, so every page opens at the size that feels most comfortable for you. This is a really simple Chrome setting, but it can make a big difference if text feels too small, if you want a cleaner browsing experience, or if you just prefer a larger view on every website you visit. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're in the browser itself, not on a website settings page or a different app. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the 3 vertical dots, which is the More menu. Click those dots to open Chrome's main menu. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. This will take you into the Chrome settings area, where you can change how the browser looks and behaves. If you don't see settings right away, just take a second and look through the list carefully, because it's usually near the lower part of the menu. Now that you're in Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Appearance. This section controls the visual layout of Chrome, including fonts, themes, and zoom preferences. Once you open Appearance, look on the right-hand side for the Page Zoom option. You'll see a drop-down menu next to Page Zoom. This is the setting that controls the default zoom level for web pages in Chrome. Click the drop-down menu and choose the zoom percentage you want. You can pick something like 110%, 125%, or even higher if you want everything to appear larger. If you prefer a more compact view, you can also choose a lower percentage. As soon as you select a zoom level, Chrome applies that setting globally to future web pages. That means new sites you open will use your chosen zoom level automatically, which saves you from constantly zooming in every time you visit a page. It's a great way to make browsing easier and more consistent. One quick tip. This setting changes the default page zoom, but individual websites can still have their own layout differences. So if a page looks slightly different, that's normal. Still, your selected Chrome zoom level will remain the main default for future browsing. And that's it. You've now set the default zoom level in Google Chrome. Super easy, right? If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful browser tips, computer tricks, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.